On his 25th birthday, Leo received the weirdest gift of his life. It wasn't a watch, it wasn't cash, it wasn't even crypto, it was a letter. Inside the envelope, written in plain handwriting, were just a few words. "This money grows when you stop touching it." Along with the letter came $1,000. Leo laughed. "Yeah, right," he said. "Money doesn't grow, trees do." Leo was smart, but like most people, he thought money only came from working harder, longer, louder, hustle, grind, repeat. So he almost spent it, almost. Something about the sentence bothered him. This money grows when you stop touching it. So instead of buying a new phone, Leo put the $1,000 into a boring investment account earning 8% annually and promised himself one thing: I won't touch this, ever. Year 1. At the end of the year, Leo checked his account. $1,080. He frowned. That's it? I made $80 in a year. Disappointed, he almost pulled it out, but life got busy. He forgot about it. Year 5. Leo was now 30. Different job. More stress, still chasing money. One night, bored, he logged into that old account. $1,469. Huh, he muttered. Not impressive, not exciting, but something strange had happened. Leo hadn't added a single dollar. The money had made money, and then that money had made money too. Still, $1,469 didn't change his life. So he ignored it again. Year 10. At 35, Leo felt behind. Friends had businesses. Some had luck. Some had debt. Leo checked the account. $2,159. He blinked. That's more than double. No overtime, no side hustle, no stress, just time. The money was no longer growing linearly. It was growing exponentially, and that's when Leo realized something most people never do. Compound interest doesn't care about your effort. It only cares about time. Year 20. At 45, Leo had a family. Responsibilities, bills, money felt heavy now. One quiet night he remembered the account. He checked it. $4,661. Leo sat back. That original $1,000 had quietly multiplied over 4 times. Wow. But here's the shocking part. More than half of that growth happened in the second half of the journey. This is the trap. People look at early results and quit. They say, this isn't working. But compound interest is slow at first, because it's loading the slingshot. The lie everyone believes is most people think money grows like this: add effort, get paid, hey, repeat. But compound interest works differently. Money earns, earnings earn, earnings earn earnings. It's growth on growth, a snowball effect. Tiny at first, unstoppable later. That's why starting early matters more than starting big. Leo didn't start rich, he just started early enough. Year 30, Leo turned 55. He checked the account. $10,063. He laughed out loud. That's impossible. It wasn't. The money had officially grown 10 times. And remember, Leo never added another dollar. If he had added just $100 a month, the number would have been terrifying. But even without that, time had done the heavy lifting. The final lesson. Leo finally understood the sentence in the letter. This money grows when you stop touching it. Compound interest rewards. Patience, consistency, inaction. It punishes. Impatience, fear, constant interference. The richest people don't outwork everyone. They let time work for them. The real twist. The story isn't about Leo. It's about you, because the most expensive mistake in finance isn't losing money. It's starting late. Compound interest is quiet, boring, unsexy. But over decades, it's unbeatable. And once you understand it, you'll never see money the same way again.